Hi guys, in this video we discuss different formulas used in Excel. So first of all we need some data to implement all of the formula on it. Here is the data. We take some data from company in which different balloons and also bike listed here. Take fuel in liters from company to continue their activity in morning, evening and night shift. So first of all we want to know the amount of fuel in liters, how much consumed in a day. So for this purpose we use sum formula. Let's start with the sum formula is equal sum, double click on it, automatically pick. Now give range to the sum formula is showing here number 1 and number 2. So we select this range, this column. Then is equal. Now it's showing 227 liter fuel used in a day for different bolon in a bike. So we also want to know the total price used for the fuel. So for this we use sum formula on this column, selecting range for sum. Now is equal. Now it's showing 25,696 rupees used for fuel in a day. Next formula is sum product. Sum product formula used instead of sum. It's firstly product two different columns or two different cell, then after that uh, calculates its sum is equal sum product. Now it's demanding for array 1 and array 2 or array 3. So we want to multiply this column with price per liter. This comma, then this array, second column, price per liter. We want to calculate product of these two column and also the sum of all. So enter, then it's showing 25,696 rupees as above. So for this formula we calculate product and sum simultaneously. Next proceed for conditional formatting. In Excel there is a conditional formatting option in which highlighted cell rules, different options available here, greater than 10, less than 10, between, you can use for your requirement. Also top 10 items, bottom 10 items, and you also color to their bar and scales accordingly. So we use here, we want to know which balloon and bike take fuel greater than 10 liter. So for this purpose select this column. Now click on conditional formatting, greater than. We want to know which balloon and which bike take fuel greater than 10. So we highlighted this. We write here 10, greater than 10, and you can also change the color from here. Okay. Now all the values greater than 10 are highlighted. Next proceed for count formula. Count have different formulas. First of all, count A. Count A formula count all the values which we selected. So check how it's work. Count A. We select this column. Now it's showing total 20 bolons or 20 vehicles available here. So just when we use just count formula, then it's only count the numbers. Otherwise, on the other hand, count A formula count everything alphabetically word or numeric value, count all. But just count formula just count the numeric value. We use on this, enter 20. Now it's showing 20. uh, we can change for other and check how it's work or not. For example, we calculate this, we want to count this, in which there is alphabetical numbers, that's why it's a not a numeric value. So enter. Now it's showing 0 because the count formula just count the numeric values, not the other alphabetical values. Now go for count blank. It's calculate the blank values in a data. There is a blank here, so we select this. Also there is another proceeding two blanks, so we enter. Now it's showing 3, 1 and also other twos. Next we go for maximum formula. So we use max formula. Now we implement on this column. Now it's showing the maximum fuel price in a day. So similarly we go for minimum. Now it's showing 566 rupees is the minimum value used for fuel in a day. Also we calculate average. We want to calculate average of this column. We want to know the average fuel in liters given to bolons in a bike. There is 11.35 liters